questions?
All of it's just a question.
All of it's one big question. Let's talk about these examples then. In a drawer, you have 3 green, 3 black, and 4 blue pens. Does everyone copy this? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so example number 1. In a drawer, we have 3 green, 3 black, and 4 blue pens. When picking pens randomly, what is the probability that A, you pick a green pen? So we could phrase that like this: probability of picking a green pen. One thing's happening. Caroline? 3 out of 10. Excellent. 3 green pens out of the total possibilities. Wonderful. So we're talking about a specific outcome out of total number of possible outcomes. Second example, you pick a green pen, then you pick a blue pen. So you're picking a green pen and then picking a blue pen.
So you do 3 over 10 times 4 over 10?
So we have probability of picking a green pen is 3 out of 10. Now we have to assume, because it didn't say with replacement, we're going to assume it is without replacement. You pick that green pen, you don't want to give it back. And then you're going to pick, where are we? Pick a green pen and then a blue pen. So the probability, you're correct, Jasmine, that we are going to multiply the probabilities, but the probability of picking a blue pen now is 4 out of 9, because there are only 9 pens in the drawer, 4 of which are blue. Multiply together. And we multiply them, it's an and type probability. We're talking about this happening and then this happening. Okay, C, you pick a black or a blue pen. So we could say probability of black or blue. Because the word or is in there, clues you in the fact one thing is happening. You're going to pick one pen. It can happen 2 different ways. It can be black or it can be blue. So we're going to have the probability of a black pen and then plus the probability of a blue pen. 7 out of 10. Which kind of makes sense because there are 7 objects that satisfy this condition of you've picked a pen and it's either black or blue. Yeah.
Stops in or exclusive?
This is or exclusive. Great. There's no overlap between those 2 groups, black pen or blue pen.
It feels like a black and blue pen.
Well, no, we're going to get to a situation down here. Question number 2, so here's where we have some overlap. Use the above scenario, only this time you also have pencils. So these are pens. And over here we have pencils. Same situation. 3 green, 3 black, and 4 blue. Make a table to display the information and find subtotals. Then find. Should we make a table? All right. Let's make a table. So we have pens, we have pencils, and we have black, blue, green. This is similar to, we've done a couple examples in class of boys, girls, juniors, seniors, sophomores, and freshmen. And when we write the numbers in, we're gonna have some totals. So we have 3 green, 3 black, 4 blue. And our totals off to the side, 6, 8, 6, 10, 10, 20. Total objects in the drawer. Okay. So let's see if we can answer these questions. And we are going to pay attention to overlap if it's there and remember to subtract it. Probability of picking something, and it is black or a pen. So you can pick something out of the drawer, and it's either going to be black or it's going to be a pen.
Is it like 18 out of 20? Yeah.
So 2 ways to think about this. Who's got an answer? Haley.
Well, you have to do 6 out of 20 because that's all the black, right?
So let's see, we have 6 out of, so for the black stuff, we have 6 out of 20.
And then you add the number of pens minus 1. No, minus 3 because there's 3 black pens.
All right, so watch how I write this. You are absolutely correct. We can write it like this. The probability of picking something black out of the drawer is 6 out of 20. The probability of picking a pen out of the drawer is 10 out of 20. But you can't count these twice. Okay, so the overlap is right here, the black pens, and there are 3 of them, so we subtract the overlap. The other way to think about this is, I'm going to mess up my table here, but I'm going to write on it. If I were to circle everything that is either black or a pen, it would be this stuff. Okay, so that is the stuff that satisfies this condition of being either black or a pen, and it's 7, 10, 13 out of 20, which is